Hi everybody, welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. YouTube will then notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, like today's, and I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, if you're enjoying my content when you come in, take a second right underneath the video to hit that thumbs up. Supposedly it helps on the YouTube platform, so I thank you in advance for doing that for me. All right, today we are very, very excited because tomorrow is the launch day for the Truewants Need It Bag, volume number 3. I am so excited. If you had the opportunity to see yesterday's video, I go through a lot, so I want to make sure that if you haven't seen that video, I will link that video right underneath here in the description box to make sure to watch that video, so because it will make some things that I'm saying in this video a little bit clearer. The reason I'm doing this video is because, as you know, I do not do edits. I sit down in front of the camera, I tell you guys, I open up things, I share with you, and then I close the camera off. And then throughout the day, it gets uploaded and it gets ready for you guys to watch it. I also watch it usually the same time that you guys are watching it. So I don't do edits. So when we had the opportunity to watch yesterday's video, we realized there was one thing for sure that we didn't show in the video. And the other thing was some of the features of some of the products I didn't go through. I feel well enough to help you guys that when you do receive it, you'll be able to know all these other ways that you can enjoy it. So that's what today's video is going to be all about. So I want to make sure that we go through that also. The last thing before we go through all this, it's really, really important that you go onto Improving Lifestyle's website, which is my company with my brother, which is where you have access to get this bag. And all those instructions will be in the description box down below also. Reason I'm mentioning it now is there is a newsletter that we did last month, and we did, you guys told us it helped you guys so much. So we're going to do our best to do it again this month, where the evening before there will be an email blast, and then there will be one a couple of hours prior to the launch time, just as a good reminder to tell you guys, you know, that we have the Truewants Need It Bag Volume 3 that is going to be at 12 noon on December the 10th. Okay, pricing and everything, like I said, is in the description box. But now, okay, let me go through some of the products that I feel I didn't go through enough of the features with you, and why I'm so excited to share this with you guys in the bag. So the first one that we're talking about is what I call the Fascinator. But I know, you know, everyone calls it, you know, a headband, whatever. It's just the cutest thing I've ever got my hands onto. So as I've mentioned to you guys, it is a headband that does not hurt at all, and then this has an area where you can slide it from one side if you want to wear it this way, and you can slide it to the other side if you want to wear it this way. What I didn't show you guys is that the headband comes on its own, and it is a headband that it has, it's a very, very smooth headband. It almost has like a silk finish to it. It is so comfortable, but you can wear this headband anytime. It's just a simple black thin headband. I've worn it many times, and it's just enjoyable to have. The added feature is on the back of this, there is a small little elastic here, and that's what you literally put the headband through. It goes through very easily, and that's what that looks like here. The other item that I didn't show you is there's also a clip that is going to come in here, and it's a simple clip like this. But if you don't want to wear a headband and you don't like wearing headbands, you simply place the clip through that elastic here, and then you can clip it into your hair wherever you want. So there's that added feature that I forgot completely to tell you guys about this added clip. So there's 3 pieces to this item, and you can wear them however you want. So I wanted to make sure to share that with you guys today. The second item that I forgot to share with you guys is, and you have seen it in a few of my videos because I have been enjoying this so much. This is the necklace that we talked about, and this is the one that I showed you. And you've seen it, like I said, in other videos in this color. There is a second color that is available for this, and how we're going to be doing this, I will share that with you, but I just wanted to show it to you guys up close. This one is the bronze and gold. This one comes with a double cord. It has the same 3-inch extender on it, and this is the one that is the silver with the gunmetal colored cord with that same 3-inch extender. How we're doing this is really simple. Is if you order 2 bags, we are going to do our best during the same order to give you 1 in gold and 1 in silver. What we're telling you guys is, if you put a note in the order, when you place the order, there's a box that shows up and it says note. You can put in that you would prefer, if you want, a silver versus the gold, and we will do our best, because we are a small business, to fulfill your want. However, with that said, you have to place your orders at 12 noon. The people that place their orders at 12 noon are the ones that, if they put a choice in there, we will do our best to fulfill that want. However, anything a little bit later in the day, we are not going to be able to do that. And the only way that we want to try to help the best way that we can. And so if you place the order for 2, we're going to do our best to put 1 silver and 1 gold. If you only want 1, you can put your preference in there. But like I said, this is variations. So we're going to do our best to fulfill that want. But you know, if we run out of one versus the other, then what you're going to get is either one or the other. And between you and I couldn't choose between the 2, and that's why you have seen both around my neck and on my channel, and you will still be seeing both in plenty of videos in the future. So I just want to make sure that that's really clear. The other thing that I wanted to mention is it does come in a cellophane with this little card, and it says fashion jewelry on it, and on it it also says lead and nickel free, and that I wanted to make sure that I made that really clear. The other thing is, I showed you this color because this is the one that I was testing. However, this is, we ordered it in an array of colors. This, there is no choice. You're going to be getting one of these in the bag, but like I said, they're all the exact same material. I go through all the features and everything in yesterday's video. Like I said, I'll link that down below, but this is the only one, but it's a towel wrap. I mean, the color variation really is not, you know, that do or die. I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew that that's what's going to be in the bag as well. All right, so I mentioned the newsletter. I'm not sure if I mentioned that if you guys have an opportunity, it is really important for me, for Truewants, on the Improving Lifestyle website, if you are enjoying our gift bags that we have been doing volume 1, volume 2, and now volume 3, please take a second to leave a review. Don't mark in it what the items are, just if you're enjoying it. You know, you guys have mentioned to me so many beautiful comments in my comments, but if you can help us out and put that on the website, you know, about the fast delivery and everything like that, and that you were satisfied with, it just helps us grow on our website. So if you can do that for me, I would really appreciate it. I do appreciate so much that you share those reviews with me, you know, here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. But if you could take that extra minute, and for the few of you that have done that, thank you so much. The reviews were so beautiful. Just take that second to put that in there. I would really, really appreciate it. So we went through about the 3 items that are going to come with the Fascinator. We went through about the 2 necklaces, and then that it is nickel free and lead free. We went through the variations of the colors, and then the last thing I've got to share with you guys here is on the wallet, which is the hero product in this bag, is when you remove this these little extra plastics that are in here. I didn't share with you guys that there is still an extra hidden pocket behind here and a second one behind here. So that's another extra feature that we didn't go through. We went through the credit card slots, we went through the finger guide, how it makes it easier to take this in and out. We went through the 2 section billfold and the hidden zipper, and that this is the #1 selling trifold wallet, period. You know, in the United States, trifolds are really, really fantastic, and it does come in the organza bag. So I just wanted to make sure about that hidden 2 pockets that I don't think I mentioned, and that you could remove the cards. I know that I did mention that, but I just didn't mention about the hidden pockets. So I hope I got everything. And like I said, if you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to send me an email via at info@improvinglifestyles.com or info@truewants.com, and we will do our best to get back to you as quickly as we can. We are really, really excited about this launch, but like I said, this time it is really, really important that you guys get on the launch day, December 10th, and at 12 noon, because this time of year, we're really quick at getting our orders out, but we do not drive the trucks. And everyone's warning everybody that by December 11th, everything starts to slow down and people start charging for shipping. We don't charge for shipping. Everything with us is free ship. And we really want you to get these products in time for the holidays. So we want to make sure, and the only way that we can do that is if you guys place the orders at 12 noon. And especially if you have a request, we want to make sure that we're going to do our best to fulfill it. But the only time that we can really focus on it is at that 12 noon time. So like I said, if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to send us an email. But I'm stressing really hard this time to make sure that if you are interested in this, to definitely place your orders on December 10th at 12 noon, and then we will try our best to fulfill everything so that everyone's able to get their orders in time for the holidays. All right? Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys have opened up to me on YouTube, as well as now the Truewants Need a Bag on Improving Lifestyles. It has been fantastic, and I'm so excited to be able to share all this with you guys and that you're enjoying it too. So thank you so much, and good luck to everybody. Happy shopping, and hopefully I will see some of your names on the orders going out tomorrow. All right, take care, and see you soon. All right, bye for now.